Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. Today we are going to do a walk around startup and drive video for you on this 1950 Ford two-door custom. Now, this car has been modified, as you can tell. The body is pretty much all original appearing to the car, but it does have a set of mob steel wheels on it. And don't ask me, yeah, the car is black. They painted the wheels green. It's got a green pinstripe down through the center of the car there and green custom emblems. I'm not sure that I would have chose that color on the wheels, but you know, it kind of grows on you. It kind of grew on me. I kind of think it's kind of cool now. But hey, you know, you could choose to take them off, paint them any color you like if you don't like that color. So anyway, small block Chevy engine underneath the hood of this car. Power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. Edelbrock intake, carburetor, valve covers, air cleaner. Has aluminum radiator in it. Got some custom striping, custom pin there underneath the hood. This car came out of California. I got it in on trade. The paint on the car is very nice. There is some imperfections in it that I will show you. The paint's very straight. On the roof, it has one little bubble right there, and it's got a couple more on the other side. A couple little chips here. Got some custom pin on the trunk deck too. Black car, so it's slick looking. Air ride, four corner air ride. There's what I was talking about. It's got a couple more little, I don't know, just they're chips is what they are. I'm gonna fill them in so they don't chip out any further, but it does have those. All the interior's been all redone, door panels, seats. Headliner appears to be somewhat original, maybe original material anyway. Power windows, tilt steering column, Dakota digital gauges. Your air pressure gauges, your AC controls, Pioneer CD player, clock. Steering wheel's pretty cool with that bullet style. Tried the area, so we'll try that. Let's go out there and see if the compressor's kicked. Got some custom pin on the dashboard as well. It's got billet door handles. Back seat's real nice too. Side panels match front and back. Nice interior in the car. Tells you your air pressures. About the same in the rear. Same in the front. I think I got about I haven't messed with this air ride much on this car, so I don't know exactly what it wants going down the road, front and back, so you might just have to adjust that accordingly. Obviously, I got it sitting lower in the front than I do in the back, but kind of adjust it accordingly on how the car rides down the road. Door is open and shut nice. I'm not going to price this car real crazy. I'm going to price this car $29,900. I mean, I know you couldn't build it for that. It's a really nice looking car. Like I said, paint's really good. It does have a couple bubbles down here on the bottom of this door and a couple paint chips right here, you can see. And I think it's got a couple small bubbles maybe on the other door. LED headlights. They're bright. Seen something else. I thought I see. Oh yeah, right here you can see just a couple little small bubbles. But I talked to the gentleman I got the car from, and he said that those bubbles have been there for 15 years. So he said they never got any worse, but obviously they never got any better either. So I'm sure the AC probably needs a charge. Unless I don't have one of these going the right way. I'm sure it probably needs charged up. That's kind of standard operating procedure, it seems like, in a lot of these old cars. I mean, sometimes you just got to add a little bit of Freon to them every year. Pretty damn good looking car though, especially $29,900. I mean, I think that's a pretty fair price. I put a couple fingerprints on this black car. Now, they don't have the wipers on the car, but most of these guys, most of these cars, the guys run Rain-X on their cars, and that's what I used to do on all my old hot rods. Does have a couple chips right here too. Looks like that hood must have been hitting at one time. It's got a couple chips there. It's like I say, it's not perfect, but it's very, very nice, clean, sharp-looking car. Turn them headlights off. We won't need those. We'll get the air blowing in this car. That won't take much. Say a little charge, a little Freon, should be good to go. Someone's really gonna like this car for the price and how it looks and runs and drives. Got the spotlights there. Got a little bit of traffic, so there we go. Car goes down the road good. Pretty quiet inside. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in this beautiful little Ford, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. We'll go up here and turn around, and that bridge is just terrible. They're gonna fix it, I'm sure, one of these days. Brakes work good. That rattling noise is you hear with that steering, that horn button. We'll get out and show you the outside real quick. There she is, folks. Beautiful little Ford Custom. Ready for somebody to drive and enjoy. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Again, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. I appreciate everybody watching all my videos and subscribing to my channel. It's nice to get a lot of subscribers and followers, and that way you get a lot of people watching. We try to be as honest as we can about all these cars, so give us a call. Have a great afternoon, and we'll talk to you guys very soon.